right, Mr. Alex Belhide saying a wonderful tune about Lulu. Who may be Lulu? We don't care, but she's back in town. Telling you.
I just don't get it. So the guy, sure enough, he takes his motor out. Cool. Essentially, a first bring it over. Don't send me a first email. Just call me and say, hey, something's wrong. Might drop this over. They bring it over.
Oh, okay. You've been on Royal Caribbean.
On that south wall.
Oh yeah.
And I would put the fish in the cellar.
Yes, I can tell you something about it. Oh, how cool would that be?
So I have a picture of that.
You do?
You know what this is?
It's an Italian PT boat. It's made in the 50s.
Oh, wow.
You can lift the top up. This could be a nice bar. You could turn it into a remote control.
Oh, you can? Amazing. What's your name?
Kathy Walker.
Hi, Kathy Chuck.
Nice to meet
Do
you.
is this all your stuff in here?
Yes.
Do you have a card or anything?
No, but I'm in the ILYA book, Captain's Jewelry.
Okay.
If you're interested in that picture, just to let you know, ma'am, there's documentation and everything attached. It's a legitimate document.
Look at all this nice stuff.
There was a fellow by the name of Jim married Francis.
Oh, look at this. Oh, fishing set here.
Cooler in here. Yeah, today seems a little hot.
She had to step away for a little bit, but there's her business card right there. It tells what she repairs.
Oh, good.
And there's her photograph book that shows what some of the jobs she's done.
What do you got over here?
This is our safe boating classes.
Oh, good.
That we teach, Power Squadron.
Oh, good.
Are you boaters?
Well, all of our friends have boats. Are you a boater?
Yes.
Good.
38 years.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Shaft, isn't it?
53, 54, 10 Horse Johnson.
Yeah.
QD 13 or 14.
That's a cool lamp. But I gotta go.
Okay. You too, Jared. Take care.
We got some books under here? They are. We got them. What was that?
grab one of my flyers. Right there in Collingwood.
Okay.
I've got a ton of different stuff. And if you call me, I just heard you say something about props. So,
Yeah, and no, it's
Look at this old shaving kit. What's that? Chess set or something?
Chinese checkers.
Chinese Oriental checkers, huh? Hi, everybody. So what's it? What do we have here?
This is the Toledo Harbor Light out there on Pulling Boards
I know where it is.
off of out of Mommy Bay.
We're
State
trying to
Park there.
raise money to restore.
Store. Yeah.
Good, I heard.
Yeah. So Sandy Bihn is the guru on it, along with the water keepers that they're trying to.
Is she here?
Sandy's right there.
Oh, good. I've met her before. Hey, Sandy, Chuck Schmidt. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Congratulations on all your hard work.
Thank you.
So why don't you, we're on video right now, so this is going on YouTube. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the lighthouse and how you're reconstructing it?
The lighthouse was built in 1904. It's 100 years old, and what we're doing now is raising funds to do the match for a grant to put in new windows, doors, and shutters. And after that, we will put in the infrastructure, the plumbing, the electric, and that sort of thing, and then we'll finish it. Ultimately, what we want to do is have four people staying at the lighthouse from May through September, so that boaters and other groups can go out and take tours of it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
This is water.
Oh, okay.
It's a lake area for the beach.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Ice pail. How old is that, you think?
I'm guessing from the 40s or 50s, maybe.
For ice boating, you think, or anything?
It's for ice fishing, and they loaded up their equipment in it in both spots. And then I guess sometimes this was strong enough they could sit on it.
Oh yeah, it looks like
But this is the second one I've had, and I bought it just because I like the cool graphics. And then I found out all they did was they attached the rope to it, and they walked out. You know, they walk in the ice, and they just follow them behind. Hence the name Ice Pal.
Good. Is this your shop here?
Yep.
What's your name?
Jan.
Jan? Do you have a card, Jan?
I sure do.
Jan, what do you like here? What's one of your favorite, some of your favorite stuff?
I got a little cover up. This is it's a trolley seat out of a downtown Toledo trolley.
Oh, okay.
From the 20s or teens.
Okay. I see you got the Waltons here.
Yeah. That's gotten a lot of comment.
Yeah.
People didn't know they made a board game, and I didn't either. Especially the ending.
Good night, John boy.
There you go.
Thanks.
And this, it's 2 blocks north of the Toledo Museum of Art. And that's the house it's in. Looks like this now.
Oh.
That's a little history in the house. And you from Toledo?
Yeah. Get on there in about 2 weeks. This will be on there.
Okay.
Man, you got a little bit of everything here.
what's the where they have the ice sailboats?
I have an ice boat myself.
Oh, do you?
So I'm going to go out there, yeah.
Well, I've got one out there for sale.
Oh, you do? What kind? Dean?
Yep.
How much?
Well, I didn't have any idea how to price it. And it was suggested around $700-800. Guys said they'd sell for $600 to $1,200. But I don't have a ton into it, so.
What are all of these? Got the runners on it and everything?
They're world coins.
Oh yeah, I mean your ice boat have runners on it?
Yeah, it's not. It's sitting out there.
Go look at it. Yeah.
The guys couldn't put it together, but I don't really want to have to come back and pick it up. But I was able to get it. I was just cool like that, and I think it's more cool now that I saw some of them actually in the air. No sail with it.